How are you all doing? Mecca coming at you. I posted this on my Facebook, and the question was, it takes blank to make money. This post has been up for a few hours now, depending on when you're watching this. And hey, if you don't know me, my name's Mecca. I'm from Canada. I live down here in Mexico with my wife and my daughter, and we're gonna have a son in like a few weeks here. So just getting everything ready for that. But I built my online business from scratch, from the ground up, while I was in debt. Hated the job I had. Your typical broken story, right? But here we are, a year and a half later. We're figuring things out, getting things by, and helping people, helping others. That's what I'm passionate about. And helping others increase their income, take back their freedom, so they can design their ultimate lifestyle. That's what I'm all about. But what does it take to make money? Think about this. If you're watching the replay of this, comment. What do you think it takes to make money? It takes one thing to make money. It's not disappointing a Mecca, not determination and creativity, outside the box thinking, action, mindset, money, massive action, idea, a good and focused mind, discipline, a shit ton of upfront effort, consistency, consistent high quality. All those things, they help. But they're not the most important thing. The most important thing that it takes to make money in this day and age is courage. It takes courage to make money. It does not take money to make money. It does not take action to make money. It takes courage to make money. Because without courage, you're never going to make real money. Okay? You're never going to make real money if you don't have courage. The other day, it was yesterday actually, I was thinking, and I'm looking at creating a 10th flow of I can't remember what I'm supposed to call it, revenue or income, or a 10th flow of money coming in for me and my family. A 10th. Think about that. Currently, I get paid. I have 9 different streams of income coming in. I'm looking at getting a 10th, and this 10th, I was looking at $1,500 is what the cost would be to get started, plus there will be additional costs afterwards. And I'm thinking, $1,500. Can I spend that right now? Yeah, we have it. Is it the right time in the business to spend it, or should I be focused on something else? And all these questions. And hey, there's the biggest question is, what if it doesn't work? What if it doesn't work? And that's where I remembered that if I want to increase my income, I need to take bigger risks. I need courage to spend more money so I can get a greater return. It's not the money. It's not the money. I have the money, but it's not making money right now. I have the money, it's just sitting in a bank right now. But without courage to spend the money, what good is that money? So that's what I mean. It takes courage to make money. It takes courage to make money. Let's say, hey, you don't have $1,500 to spend on something. Well, you know what? It takes courage to spend your evenings and weekends on YouTube, reading a book, watching a video, doing whatever you can to learn additional skills, so you can later charge somebody how to build who wants a website built, that you just spent days and weeks, months learning how to do these skills. The courage to learn to do these skills so you could later charge somebody money, so you could create some income for yourself, so you can later invest that to grow your income, to take back your freedom, so you can later design your lifestyle. It takes courage to make money. Courage is the foundation that you need. Everybody has money. Everybody has the skills. Yes, some are going to have more money than others. Some are going to have greater skills than others. But it takes courage to make those decisions that create the action to increase your income. So don't ever don't ever forget that it takes real courage to take the risks, to invest. It takes courage to buy a course that you're not sure will work. It takes courage to do that. It takes courage to leave your job and start an online business that's going to create more money for yourself, that's going to give you more freedom. It takes courage to succeed. So if there's one thing I want you to take from this quick little video, is don't let yourself be scared to go after the life you want. Life's too short to be scared. Life's too short not to be courageous. Live the life of your dreams. As cheesy as that is, as cliche as it is, have the courage to live the life you truly want. I'm Mecca. If you like this video, let me know. Connect with me. Comment below, post below. I'm on all the mediums, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, right? But I'd love to connect with you. I'd love to help you increase your income, take back your freedom, design that ultimate lifestyle. I'm doing me so you can do you. But let's do this together. Till next time, everyone. Speak to you all soon.